You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, also a word from Latin, now in English, and it's a name from Scottish. Let's go through the different pronunciations. In English, it's normally pronounced as Calum, stress on the first syllable. It means dove, you know, the animal, the bird, from Latin columba, meaning dove. In Latin, the pronunciation is as calum. In English, however, it's normally pronounced as calum, calum, stress on the ka syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.